Hey friends, welcome in, welcome back. Welcome to Revamp and Radiate with me, Sara B, your beauty bestie. Today I just want to do a little haul video. I have a little Ulta haul here and I just want to open it with you. So hopefully you'll enjoy this quick little video of my haul. Let's go. Okay, let me explain. So Sephora, I'm really trying hard to wait for the Sephora sale. And I really wasn't planning on buying anything. But then Ulta sent me a 20% off coupon that I could use even on Prestige. So there was a few things on the Sephora sale that I had wanted that I just kind of was like, well, if there's still 20%, I'll just pick that up. So that's kind of what I did. And then I thought it was a one-time use coupon, but it ended up being, I used it again. So then I ended up picking up an order today because Clinique was 25% off. So that's a little spoiler on that. Plus I was able to use my coupon on top of that. I'm like, that's a no-brainer. That's why I said in my live, like, I wouldn't suggest Clinique, brands like Clinique, because you can usually get them for a better sale. So anyway, let's get into what's in the box. All right. I picked up these Mighty Patches. These are, my husband uses these. I use these once in a while, but he loves them. But these are expensive. And they were on sale at Ulta, the 72 pack. They were on sale at Ulta, plus I had the 20% off. So it was a no-brainer. I picked up 3, saved some money on these. I get these all the time. My husband uses them. That's what he likes. I use them once in a while. But I got that. What else is in here? Is it bad if I kind of forgot? Oh, I totally forgot the Laura Mercier blush. I did pick up one of the Laura Mercier blushes because I had the 20% coupon. This was on my Amazon sale. Oh, I'm so excited. Cool. All right, let's open it. We're going to just open it, touch and play. Do I have a brush? I do. I'll grab a brush. Okay. All right, so I picked up the shade Negroni. The shade Negroni. I promise you I'm going to try to make this a quick video. Okay. So are these 2 textures? I think they're both powder. Okay. Oh. Okay. Pretty. Okay. Oh, how nice. All right. Let's go into the lighter one. Let's see. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, that's nice. And then on this cheek, I'll go with the darker one. I can't tell what the difference in the textures are. They're definitely different shades. Maybe not. Yeah, like this is like a shimmer, has a shimmer in it, and this is a matte. Can you see? I wasn't really planning on doing like, I don't know. I just turned on the camera because I wanted to open the box. Okay, cool. Oh, I'm excited. And I like this color. Ooh, all right, fun. I don't think I'll buy more of these though. I'm going to try not to have the need to buy every one in the collection, but we'll see. Oh, I picked this up. This is the Virtue Flourish Density Booster. Either somebody in one of my comments suggested this, or I saw a video of somebody who said this is really good because, you know, I've been talking about how I've been losing my hair. And I remember, and I put this in my wish list at Ulta a long time ago because I was like, there'll be a sale. I'll get it on sale. So I ended up picking it up with the 20% coupon. So yeah, I'll let you know how this goes. Protects, strengthens, thickens. And why I like this was because you can use it on dry or damp hair. Use it once a day. And you can use it dry or damp. Because a lot of the times the treatments, I'm really bad at night. I wash my hair every night. Like if it's a treatment I got to put on before I wash my hair, it's just too much for me. So this one seems kind of like easy. And I bought this smaller one to try it out. So yeah, I picked this up on sale. I'll let you know how this works. And hopefully it'll help my hair. What else did I get? Ooh, the Laura Mercier setting spray. And Nikki LaRose was just talking about this. So I was like, well, I want to try it. And this was in my Sephora cart. But again, I had the coupon, so I said, why not try it? This is the Translucent Hydrating Setting Spray. Ultra Blur. Is it locked? Is there instructions on how to open this thing? The Laura Mercier Ultra Blur Setting Spray. I can't figure out how to use it. Let's see if this has instructions. A microfine continuous setting spray provides 24-hour hydration wear. Okay. Uh-oh. I can't figure it out. Oh, there it goes. All right, it needs to snap off. All right. Ooh, that is nice. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, that feels like water. Like I just misted water. Ooh. Okay, I'm excited for that. Yay. What else did I get? Oh, this, remember I was talking about that Hindash video? This was the SPF that Hindash had used on his video. This is the Hydra Prime SPF 50 from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love me. And is anyone else obsessed with sunscreens like I am? Let's see. Well, that feels smoothing. So one of my friends in my makeup groups says she likes this most of the year. It gets a little bit too dewy in the summer for her. But okay. Yay, I'm excited. I'll keep you posted on that. That's fun. Okay. I was influenced again. So, oh, I can't remember who it was. I don't remember. Anyways, this is the R.E.M. Beauty. This is R.E.M. Beauty eyeshadow in the shade Earth Fairy. I have been looking at this for so long, and I said to myself, don't buy it until there's a sale. So I had the coupon. I finally got it. One of these, I was watching a video, and I just fell in love with the way this one looked. So let me wipe my hands. Hold on. Okay. All right. I want to give it a fair shot, so I went and wiped my hand. All right. So let's swatch this. Oh my gosh. Oh, I hope I like it. I'm telling you, I don't know how to explain it, but I was just been like wanting to try this. I have no desire into this brand. I really don't. I don't know why I got it, but I think it was this shadow. Look at it. So you can't see it on camera that good, but this is like a green, white, shifty. And look at that one. That one's got like a purple silver. Ooh, this will be fun. We'll have to play with this soon. Okay, I'm excited. I hope I like it. It just looks really pretty. Okay, I think this will be a fun palette. The shift on it is so cool. You can't really see it on camera. It's not that great, but this, okay. Yay about that. Okay, there's the box. So what happened was, there was a, Clinique was 25% off. So you know me and my current obsession with Clinique. So I actually picked up a couple things. I ended up getting the primer that I love, and I got the Black Honey mascara. The primer is being shipped. The Black Honey mascara was a pickup. I was able to pick it up. So yay. So I got backups of that. And then I also picked up the concealer, which is on shipping to me. So that's so pretty. Oh my goodness. So there's that. But then I picked up this powder. So this is the Clinique Almost Powder Makeup SPF 18. So I really like the Jane Arundel powder. I kind of envision using this like I do the Jane Arundel powder, kind of as a touch up. I'm a little, okay, I picked up the shade For Neutral. MFM, what does that stand for? Fair Neutral, doesn't say. It says it's for all skin types. I don't know. Okay, let's get a clean brush. I would kind of use this with like a buffer brush. I think this might be too deep for me. I was a little bit nervous. I think I was supposed to get this shade down, but I don't know. I can't really tell. It's supposed to be like really sheer. So maybe we can get it. Okay. Oh no. I mean, I'll have to check again. That's why I like buying from Ulta and Sephora. Like, they have good return policies. Nordstrom too. Okay. I'm all over the place. We're just playing. This is definitely shower makeup. Okay. Obviously, I'm just playing with it, but I'm looking forward to trying this. It feels very lightweight and smoothing, actually. Okay. This might work out nice. All right, I'll keep you posted on that one. Yeah, so there's my haul. But while I was talking, when I said the word shower makeup, I said, why can't I put this on right now? Let's just try it real quick. I really want to just try this shadow. Let's see what it does. Can you see? I know the lights are kind of weird. I was literally just, I'm like, let me turn on the camera and just, oh, that's really pretty. Oh my gosh. I got all kinds of shadows on here. All right, let's see. Oh my God, yes. That is absolutely stunning. The other shades didn't, I looked at the other quads. I think there's like 4 eyeshadow quads. None of them looked that exciting to me, but this one, oh wow. Okay, I'm excited. I can't wait to play with this. Yeah, I totally forgot. And I got a gift with purchase. So I got this. I've already gotten this before, so maybe I will gift this to a friend. I love this little pouch though. It's perfect for like putting in your purse. This is actually a hard size to find, like this, a nice one of this. So I'm excited for that. And then in here, I won't open it because I think I'm just gonna give it to a friend because I already have everything in here. There's a mascara, an eyeliner, and an eye cream. Isn't that nice? Cool. So yeah, and I got a free gift with purchase. So it works out. I wonder if I'll get a free gift with purchase with the one that they mail me too. Because when I went to pick, okay, quick tip. When I went to pick this up at the Ulta, and it was just that, and I said, isn't there a gift with purchase? Because she said, open the bag, make sure it's there. And I'm like, I know there was a gift with purchase, but I wasn't sure exactly what the gift with purchase was, but I knew I had ordered these two. So she says, oh, if we have it in stock, we would have put it in the bag for you. And I was like, oh, okay, well, it's Clinique. And she goes, oh, and it comes with a sponge, by the way. And she goes, oh, I go, oh, it's Clinique. And she goes, oh, and she went right to the drawer and got me my gift with purchase. So if you don't get all your stuff, make sure you stay and ask. All right, that's basically my haul. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me. If you did, and you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Please consider subscribing. My next video that I plan on filming is probably gonna be my Sephora wish list. So start thinking about what's on your wish list. What are you planning on getting? Does any of this look kind of fun? I'm excited to play with all this. Anyways, thanks for watching and you have yourselves a great night. Bye.